Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want real-time information and real user opinions, combining web and social modes in Perplexity AI gives you the full picture. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use both web focus mode and social focus mode in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, how to use web focus mode. So step 1, open Perplexity AI, go to perplexity.ai, start a new search, okay, and be ready to begin. Okay, so select web mode, so find the focus option. Okay, so choose web. Okay, activates real-time internet search. It pulls live data. Okay, ask a time-sensitive question, for example latest AI news 2026, for example, best smartphones right now or current inflation rates. Press enter. Okay, review sources, you will see all AI summary, real web links. Click and verify after that. Okay, you can use follow-ups. Okay, ask, summarize latest updates, compare sources. Okay, now how to use social focus mode. So switch to social mode, click focus again and select social. Now results come from discussions. Okay, real people, real opinions. Okay, ask opinion based questions like, for example, is this product worth it? What do people think about iPhone 15? User reviews for Razer keyboards. Okay, so analyze responses carefully, look for repeated opinions, common complaints, positive patterns. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.